Welcome to the Saskatchewan Waste Reduction Council's website. On the homepage, you'll find our Waste Reduction Hub, where you can find options to recycle, repair, donate, or compost in Saskatchewan. There are two boxes, Community and Material. To search these listings, you can click and scroll to go through the list. Saskatoon and Regina are pinned to the top, and the rest are listed in alphabetical order. Alternatively, you can type into the box and click on the name when it appears. Once you have both a community and a material selected, then click Search. This takes you to the results page. Here you can see a list of locations under 1 to 4 tabs on the left-hand side. These tabs are Recycle, Pass It On, Compost, and Repair. As we're using laptop as an example, compost doesn't appear as there aren't any options to compost a laptop. Click on one of these tabs. For this example, we'll explore Repair. The rest of the screen will display a map that is centered on the community you have searched for, with a pin for each location. You can either click on the written list on the left or on the pin on the map, and it will load that location's specific information. A zoomed-in version of the map and the listing's information will appear. Choose a location close to you or find one that's on your usual route. We encourage you to phone your chosen location ahead of time if you have any questions. Just a note that if you're using a mobile device, the same results will display in a stacked orientation, with the map at the top, which you can pinch and unpinch to zoom in and out, and the written information underneath. Let's take a closer look at the tabs on the results page of the Waste Reduction Hub. For this example, we will search Prince Albert with the materials box blank to search all of Prince Albert so that all 4 tabs will show up. The default tab is Recycle, but as mentioned, we will also showcase Pass It On, Compost, and Repair. The Pass It On tab is about getting things to other people that can use them. It shows any places we have found for the reuse of items, like thrift stores, donation bins, consignment stores, and charity shops or events. The Compost tab shows any community's programs which accept yard waste and/or food scraps. The Repair tab shows lists of people and/or shops that are fixing things up. This is the newest addition to the website, so if you know of a repair business in your area, please reach out. Sometimes, no results were found will display, like in this example of Pelican Lake First Nation. This means that we didn't find a location in the community. However, any programs in neighboring communities will show as nearby results, written in a list, as well as displayed on the map. Additionally, we provide more information on some materials. If you would like to learn about why some materials are accepted and some are not, click on More Information. It will take you to one of our resource pages. Lastly, let's talk about different ways to search the Waste Reduction Hub. As shown for the tab example, you can search a whole community. We did this by leaving the materials box blank and selecting the community name from the list. You can also see all results for one material by leaving the community box blank and searching a material. You can even zoom in to see what's available in different areas or along different routes. We hope this has been helpful. Thank you for using our website to help keep things out of the landfill.